welcome back to the channel. I'm Mel. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers and howdy to all my lovely subscribers. I wanted to share with you guys another Halloween haul. This is my recent find for this Halloween. The last video I did my last year's find, so now that we are caught up, I'm going to share with you guys what I've gotten this year. And I'm super excited, even though I did not get all of my unicorns or my in search of. I did find one of my unicorns from last year, and I'm gonna tell you the little story of how I came about finding her. And I saw another Dunn hunter while I was looking for something, and I got the prize first, and I'm super excited. So if you want to see what my finds are for this season, continue watching, and don't forget to, after watching the haul, stay tuned for the giveaway winners pick. I'll be doing that as well at the end of the video. So let's move on to the haul. Alright guys, so we're back. So let's get into this haul. Basically, so I had a little story time to tell you about my unicorn find. And so I was hunting that day, and I went to, if you live here in New York, you will understand where I'm talking about. So I went to the Home Goods in Valley Stream, and when I went there, there was nothing, no Halloween, no nothing. There was barely any basics, but there was no Halloween. Alright, so I was tired because I was hunting in other stores before I got to the Home Goods. And then I'm sitting there contemplating to myself in the car, wondering if I should go to the other Home Goods that's in Rockville Center. Okay. So I convinced myself to go to Home Goods. So when I got to Home Goods, I'm like, I'm gonna find something. I walked in the store. I don't see anything. I walked normally when you walk into the store, I normally turn right. There's a bunch of Halloween stuff on the right, but they're regular Halloween decoration, nothing Rae Dunn at all. Okay, so I walk through the aisles, I walk back, and then I notice another Dunn hunter. Now this Dunn hunter made it so obvious. If you ever hunt, you know who is a Dunn hunter, because there's a typical walk, there's the eye gazing, the eye scanning, the quick move. You know how when you're hunting, you know how another Dunn hunter move, especially an upseller. Y'all know how they move. So anyhow, I'm walking, I'm saying to myself, is this a damn Dunn hunter? I'm like, is this a person hunting for Halloween? I looked and I was like, yep. The look that I got, yep. I was like, yep, that's a hunter. That's a hunter. What I didn't know, that I found out later on, that was a hunter and an upseller. Okay, a hunter and an upseller. Okay, so alright, we went into the same aisle at the same time. The Dunn hunter was in front of me. And I was like, alright. The person went in front of me and then made a right. I made a right as well. Then I came back around, saw nothing. Then I went back down, back into the same aisle that we came from, right? We came from the same aisle. Now I'm going back into that aisle. That hunter is going back into the aisle behind me. Now I'm scanning where the RaeDunn is over here and some other stuff is down there. So once I got into the front of the aisle that we were in the first time, guess what I spot across the way from the current aisle where the basic RaeDunn was? Y'all want to see? Do y'all want to see what I spotted while the hunter was behind me? I had no cart. The hunter probably was trying to push me to get to it, but I was quicker. Okay, I was much quicker. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And it's my unicorn from last year, so let's go. It is my candy corn canister, y'all. I wanted this canister so bad last year. So bad. The only thing with this canister is it came with a little chip. Okay? So, another thing. Once I ran and I grabbed it, the hunter saw me grab it. I was like, that's the exact expression, the exact movement he did. I was like, oh, so, oh, I see. And it was only one. It was under my candy corn. This next unicorn was not found by me. It was found by a dear friend / Dunn buddy, and I don't know what to say. I'm very happy. I'm very excited, y'all. I won, even though I didn't start collecting RaeDunn until 2019, December 2019. Once I knew that this was around, I wanted it. I wanted it. I can't even talk right now. Yeah, so this is not the original one that was released, because the original that one was released, I think it was 2018, was a matted version. That's the one that I wanted. But I think this was a 2019 release, and its letters are smaller, and it is a semi-gloss finish. And I just want to say thank you to Lisa for looking out for me. I did not think I was ever going to have this, but you always, I'm telling you, Lisa is such a good person, such a sweetheart, such a kind-hearted person, and I really truly thank her, because trust me, her and another Dunn buddy of mine had my back this Halloween season. I'm not gonna lie, because I was unable to go hunting because my car was in the shop and stuff like that, and they looked out for me tremendously, and I'm forever grateful for them. So I'm gonna show you guys what my unicorn is, my second unicorn, and it is the the Happy Halloween canister, and she found it at TJ Maxx, and it was $19.99. So thank you again, Lisa. I truly appreciate you, and I am loving my Halloween canister. This next well, it's not a canister. This next item, I wasn't looking for it last year. I wanted it last year, but it wasn't on the top of my ISO list, and it wasn't on my unicorn list, but I know I wanted it. And it so happened, I said to myself I was gonna go to an opening, and I was like, nah, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna go. I said, you know what, man, I'm gonna go see if they have anything. If they don't, they don't. If they do, I'm happy. And I am super happy that I went, because this is what I found on that opening. A witch's brew pitcher, y'all. Could y'all imagine? My other Dunn buddy and friend Trish, she was looking out for me to find one of these, and you know, here for some reason we're not getting much. So, and I found one. I was super excited. I messaged, I said, Trish, look, I found one. I found one. I'm super excited. I'm super happy for her as well, because she has been helping me tremendously for this Halloween season. And yeah, I was went to open it and I found a witch's brew picture. Okay, so the next one is, I did not find this either, and this is from another Dunn buddy, and she had these two. It's two of them she found. Well, she had, or she found, and she asked me, do I want anything, because she had, you know, she had extras. And I really wanted this baby canister. I know I wasn't gonna find it. Like I told y'all, I wasn't able to go out during the time to go hunt in the month of August because of car problems. So I was super happy when she told me she had this. And shout outs to you. You know who you are. I don't know if you want me to say your name, so I'm just going to say shout out to you. When you see what I'm showing, you know I'm talking about you. And you always, she's another one that always come through for me. She's another person that always come through for me, and I'm super appreciative of her as well. And here's the canister that she had gotten and asked me if I wanted anything, and this was one of this is the canister. Haunted house. This is a baby canister, and I love the haunted house. It is super cute. I love the lettering. I think this was basically yeah, this was $20, $19.99. I was super happy that she had this. Look at the detail. Yeah, I was super happy that she had this, and I'm super happy that I have it in my collection. And I'm gonna show you guys this one that she had. I traded her for, I traded a Happy Halloween canister for one of these. I don't know which one, but I traded her. I found another Happy Halloween canister, so I traded that one for this one. So here is, and here it is, the Witch Please canister with the orange legs. Like, I wanted this so bad. Like, this is another baby canister, and this was also $19.99. She got it from Marshalls.com. So I'm just gonna go into the mugs that I have. So that is it. That is the end of my second Halloween haul. I hope you guys are excited as I am. I'm super happy to have these pieces. Some I found, some were found for me. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Trish. Thank you to the next other person. You guys are truly amazing and I really appreciate you guys. Now let's move on to the giveaway. Good luck. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to start the giveaway. Good luck to everyone, and I thank each and every one of you for participating. I truly like to do this for you guys, and good luck. Let's go. Congratulations, Kim Duncan. Yay! I would love to add the Canon Coma mug to my collection. Great haul. Thank you, Kim. I truly appreciate you. And congratulations on your Candy Coma mug. Guys, so that was it. I just want to say congratulations to Kim Duncan. You are the winner for the giveaway. Congratulations again on your Candy Coma mug. I hope you enjoy when you receive it. If you have an Instagram, just DM me, and my Instagram is the same name as my channel, Melljustsimple. And I thank you all for participating. Don't worry, there's gonna be another giveaway soon. I'll let you know when in a next video. I just want to say thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, and please turn on your notification bells to let you guys know when I upload a next video. Have a great day, be safe, please wear your mask. Peace.